My name is Sarah. I am 30 years old. I live with my husband Daniel and our 6-year-old son Liam. We have a small house in a quiet town. Daniel is a teacher. I work at a small bakery in the mornings. In the afternoons, I pick up Liam from school. Our life is simple, but I feel happy. Every morning, Daniel kisses me before work. Every night, we eat dinner as a family. We watch TV, we laugh. We play with Liam. I always thought we were a strong couple. Not perfect, but good. We don't fight much. We understand each other. We help each other. One day I started working with a new delivery man. His name is Ryan. He comes to the bakery every morning. He brings fresh bread from the factory. He is funny and kind. He always says, "Good morning, Sarah." He tells small jokes and makes me laugh. At first, I didn't think much. He was just friendly. But day by day, I started to wait for him. When he didn't come on time, I felt a little sad. One day he brought coffee for me. "I thought you might be tired," he said. I smiled. "Thank you. That's kind." After that, we talked more. He told me about his life. He has no wife or kids. He lives alone. Sometimes he looks lonely. I felt something. I didn't understand it, but it was something new. Something I hadn't felt in a long time. I still loved Daniel. He is a good husband and father. But with Ryan, I felt different. I felt seen. I felt alive. I didn't tell anyone, not even my best friend, because I didn't want to believe it was real. But deep inside, I knew something was changing. One day, Ryan came late to the bakery. I was cleaning the counter. He smiled and said, "I missed your smile today." I laughed, but my heart was beating fast. That afternoon, I could not stop thinking about him. Why was I feeling this way? I had a family, a home, a good life. But my heart felt confused. The next morning, Ryan gave me a small flower. "Just for you," he said. I smiled, but I knew it was wrong. We started talking more. Sometimes, after work, we met for coffee. We talked about everything: life, dreams, pain. I felt close to him. One day, he touched my hand. I didn't move away. I didn't stop him. I just looked at him and smiled. That night, I could not sleep. I looked at Daniel. He was holding Liam in his arms. They both looked peaceful. I felt guilty. I was hiding something from them. Something big. The next week, Ryan kissed me. It was soft, gentle, and real. But after that kiss, my heart broke. I went home and cried. I looked at my wedding photo. Was I a bad wife? A bad mother? The next day, I told Ryan we should stop. "It's not right," I said. "I love my family." He looked sad, but he nodded. "I understand," he said. I thought it was over. I tried to forget him. But then something happened. One evening, Daniel was quiet. He looked at me and said, "Sarah, I need to tell you something." My heart stopped. He looked down and said, "I found something on your phone. A message." My eyes filled with tears. He knew. But then he said something else. "I have a secret too." I looked at him, shocked. What was he going to say? He took a deep breath and said, "I've been talking to someone too. Her name is Emily. She works at my school." My world stopped. I was not the only one keeping a secret. I looked at Daniel. His eyes were full of pain. He looked just like me, hurt and confused. We sat in silence. No shouting, no anger. Only tears. "Why, Daniel?" I asked. He said, "I was lonely, Sarah. You were busy. I was busy." We stopped talking. I nodded. I felt the same. We were living together, but our hearts were far apart. "I'm sorry," I said. "I never planned it. I didn't want to fall for someone else. He took my hand. I'm sorry too, he said. I think we both got lost. That night, we didn't sleep. We talked for hours. We cried. We laughed a little too. The next morning, we made a choice. We wanted to fix our marriage. Not for Liam. Not for anyone else. But for us. We started going to couples counseling. It was not easy. Sometimes it hurt. But slowly, we began to heal. I deleted Ryan's number. Daniel stopped talking to Emily. We started having dinner together again. Real dinner. With real talk. And real smiles. Liam didn't know what happened. But he saw us hugging more. He saw us happy again. That was enough for him. Months passed. Now, we are stronger. We are honest. We are close. Sometimes, love gets quiet. Sometimes it feels lost. But if two people choose each other again, they can find their way back. Love, like language, takes work. You may feel lost, or slow, or unsure. But every small step brings you forward. Keep listening. Keep learning. Keep believing in yourself. You're doing better than you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's learn English together, step by step.